How to add text in background in Premiere Pro. Open the Premiere Pro. Select the footage. Now select the Type tool and click on your preview window. Type your text. Go to Graphics and adjust it. Now extend the duration of your text layer and match it to the video layer. Duplicate the video layer by holding and drag it to the video layer 3, above the text layer. Now go to Effects and search for Color key and drag it onto the video layer. Select the top video. Go to Effects Control and scroll down to Color key. Select the little dropper tool. Then go over and click on the area behind. And please note, this effect will only work if your subject is a different color than your background. Now adjust the color and edge until your text moves behind the subject, but not so far as to remove parts of your text. That is how you can add text in the background in Premiere Pro. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.